Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 25 Plant Tissue Culture. Haberland, a German plant physiologist in 1902, gave the concept of cellular totipotency. He is regarded as the father of plant tissue culture. Question asked various times in many examinations. ICR GRF 99, ARS 2004, 7, 12, 18, IRI 2004 and NET 13 and 14. The ability of a single cell to give rise to a complete plant is known as totipotency. ARS 2006 question. Bulbosum technique was given by Kasha et al. In 1970 for haploid production in barley. Lebeck et al. In 1925 have grown interspecific embryos of Linum perform and Linum ostricum that aborted in vivo. Kinetin was discovered by Miller and Skoog in 1955. Skoog and Miller in 1957 proposed that root shoot differentiation is regulated by auxin cytokinin ratio. Question asked in the ICR GRF 99 and IRI 2005. The cytokinin activity in coconut milk was first reported by Miller in 1955. ICR GRF 2004. The first report of gynogenesis, that is ovary culture, was given by San Noem in 1976 in barley and used to develop male sterile lines. The first application of meristem culture to obtain virus-free plants of Dahlia was by Morel and Martin in 1952. In 1952, Stewart initiated work on culturing Caratax plant and used coconut milk as a nutrient that ultimately led to the discovery of embryogenesis. Nurse culture technique was given by Muir in 1953. Murashis in 1974 gave the concept of three stages of micropropagation: establishment, proliferation and rooting and hardening. Use of coconut milk containing a cell division factor for the first time in Dhatura was done in the year 1941. The first successful report on the production of haploids was given by San Noem in 1976 in barley. The techniques of anther culture was given by Guha and Maheshwari in 1964 for Dhatura. Fusion between protoplast of Lycopersicon esculentum and Solanum tubersum, that is tomato and potato, created pomato, first achieved by Melser et al. In 1978. Size of HEPA filters is 0.3 micron and the velocity of air in laminar cabinet is 1.8 km per hour. Question asked in NET 2009. In autoclave, 15 lbs pressure is equal to 1.06 kg per centimeter square. Autoclaving of tissue culture medium is carried out at 121 degrees temperature and 15 lbs per inch square pressure. Antibiotics are not autoclaved as this will lead to their denaturation and they lose their activity as antibiotics are protein in nature. They are poured into the cool molten medium through filter sterilization. 1 joule per kg is equal to 1 kilo per pascal. Hot air oven kills due to high temperature effect. IRI 2000 question. When a biological process is made to occur outside the organism in a test tube or vessel, it is known as in vitro. ICR GRF 2003 question. In plant tissue culture, micronutrients are in a concentration of less than 0.5 millimolar per liter and macronutrients are in a concentration of greater than 0.5 millimolar per liter. In plant tissue culture, thiamine is the most essential vitamin. IRI 2003, NET 2013 and 14 question. In plant tissue culture medium, the main source of carbon is sucrose. It is generally used at the rate of 3%. Agar agar is obtained from red algae, Gelidium species. Question asked in Tiger I 2000, ICR JRF 2003, ARS 2007. Most frequently used amino acid in plant tissue culture is glycine. A nutrient medium should contain 25 to 16 millimolar inorganic nitrogen. Activated charcoal is added into plant tissue culture medium at the rate of 0.2 to 3%. Role of activated charcoal in micropropagation is to absorb the phenolic excreted from the X plant. IRI 2001, NET 2013-14. The precursor of auxin is tryptophan. Question asked in ARS 94, ARS NET 2001. Stock solution of indole acetic acid and kinetin are stored in dark since they are unstable in light. Auxins are discovered in alcohol and cytokinins are dissolved in alkali. Precursor of auxin is tryptophan while precursor of ethylene is methionine. ICR JRF 2001 and ARS 2001 question. Thiamine vitamin is known as hormone as it is transported in the body system like hormones. Auxins are required for somatic embryo induction and abscisic acid is required for somatic embryo maturation. Auxins promote hypermethylation of DNA, which may have a role in totipotency acquisition in case of somatic embryogenesis. Somatic embryo maturation is achieved by culturing them on a high sucrose, generally 6 to 40%, or in a medium containing abscisic acid 0.2 to 0.4 milligram per liter. IRI 2003 question. Cytokinins are effective in somatic embryo regeneration from embryogenic cells of young somatic embryos, while auxins are effective on differentiated cells of both embryos and somatic tissue. Young embryos need to be isolated with their suspensor intact as it provides gibberellins to the developing embryos. X X albuminous seed is the seed where embryo is devoid of endosperm, while albuminous seed is having endosperm. In general, 6-benzyl adenine is the most effective cytokinin, followed by kinetin and 2-isopentine. Sensation is delayed by the application of cytokinins. ICR JRF 2001 question. Which growth hormone is responsible for internodal elongation and inducing flowering in plants, that is gibberellin, induce male flowers? IRI 2003 question. Abscisic acid promotes somatic embryogenesis and shoot bud regeneration in many species and markedly improves somatic embryo maturation. IRI 2003 question. Sucrose plays a key role in the induction of somatic embryos while other medium components appears to be needed for the post-induction development of embryos. Of all amino acid, L-glutamine seems to play a special role in a somatic embryogenesis. Another factor is the chelated form of iron in the medium, in whose absence embryo development fails to pass from globular to heart-shaped stage. Abscisic acid is an important growth regulator for the induction of somatic embryogenesis. IRI 2003 question. Abscisic acid in the concentration of 0.1 to 1 micromolar promotes somatic embryo development and maturation, and at the same time it inhibits abnormal proliferation and initiation of accessories or adventitious embryos. Most studied crop for somatic embryo production is alfalfa. The embryo excised from growing seed must be autotrophic in nature. Question asked many times. ARS NET 2001, IRI 4 and 5. Somatic embryos are encapsulated in calcium alginate gel. ARS 2004 question. Fruits showing typical polyembryony is citrus. IRI 2000 question. During dedifferentiation, meristematic cells give rise to callus. ARS 2007 question. The plant hormone which is used to break the apical dominance is cytokinin. ARS 2007 question. Gibberellic acid promotes shoot elongation and somatic embryo germination. IRI 2003 question. Cell elongation hormone is gibberellin. ICR-GRF 99 question. TIBA, triiodine acid, inhibits polar transport of auxin and other growth regulators, while abscisic acid is a known gibberellin antagonist. Micropropagation involves shoot formation, multiplication, rooting, and hardening of the plant. ARS NET 2001 question. The naturally occurring auxin is indole acetic acid. ARS NET 2001 4 IRI 2003 question. The natural occurring cytokinin is G18 2IP. Ethylene action in plant tissue culture is checked by the use of silver nitrate and activated charcoal. IRI 2003 question. Cytokinin promotes axillary shoot formation by reducing apical dominance. Gibberellic acid is essential for meristematic culture and elongation of internodes. IRI 2003 question. Gibberellic acid is thought to inhibit shoot bud regeneration by interfering with starch accumulation, blocking the meristomoid formation. Sucrose and low concentration of auxin stimulates vascular tissue differentiation, while cytokinin and gibberellins promote differentiation into xylem tissue. High potassium level and low dissolved oxygen level promote somatic embryo regeneration in some plant species. Sucrose play a key role in the induction of embryogenesis. Rooting is initiated by indole butyric acid. IRI 2001 and ARS 2005 question. Kinetin hormone is used to decrease senescence. IRI 2001. Ethanol is used to break dormancy. IRI 2001 question. In plant tissue culture, organogenesis is directed by the manipulation of auxin and cytokinin concentration. Etylation occurs due to the absence of light. ICR-GRF 2003 question. Polyvinyl pyrrolidone is added to the plant tissue culture medium as it adsorbs phenolic substances released by the plant cells into the medium and thus prevent browning of the explant. ARS NET 2001 question. Vitrification means hyperhidricity. ARS 2007 question. Embryo culture is used to rescue embryos. ARS 2007 question. The shape of apical meristem is dome shaped. ARS NET 2001 question. Virus-free plants can be obtained through apical meristem tip culture technique. IRI 2001 question. Thermotherapy combined with meristem culture is the most successful approach for virus elimination. The batch fermentation and continuous fermentation are based on the duration of fermentation. IRI 2003. Now elaborate some facts about the batch culture. In batch culture, there is a constant change in cell density and nutritional status of the medium, so are not suitable for studies on cell growth and metabolism. Batch culture are much more convenient than continuous culture. The cell number of biomass of a batch culture exhibit a typical sigmoidal growth. They are maintained by subculturing. Continuous culture. In them, the cell population is maintained in a steady state by regularly replacing a portion of the used or spent medium by fresh medium. Production of secondary metabolites requires cell suspension culture. ARS 2007 question. Oftenly, biochemicals are not produced by rapidly growing cell culture, and the culture condition favoring biomass production suppress biochemical production and vice versa. Biotic elicitors bind to a receptor protein in plasma membrane, which is thought to inhibit the plasma membrane ATPase activity. This ultimately leads to the accumulation of secondary metabolites. Chiconin production from lithosperm erythroizone root cell culture is the first commercial example of secondary metabolite production from cell culture. ARS 2007 question. During plant tissue culture, the transformation from gametophyte to sporophyte is catalyzed by light. IRI 2003 question. In plant tissue culture, environmental stress is mimicked by the addition of propanoic acid or butyric acid. IRI 2005 question. The cells in callus are of parenchymatous nature. Tissue culture in floriculture is popular for orchids. IRI 2001 question. Fruit crop which is most successfully propagated by tissue culture is banana. ICR JRF 99 and IRI 2004. The most important method for detecting virus infection in seed is ELISA. IRI 2000, ICR JRF 2004 question. Callus is an undifferentiated mass of cells. ICR JRF 2003 question. If inherent change occurs in callus, thus it is known as soma-clonal variation. The term soma-clonal variation was coined by Larkin and Scrowatt in 1981, ARSNet 2001 and 2018 question. AT and GC rich fractions are amplified in tissue culture derived plants leading to soma-clonal variation. A soma-clonal variant of Brassica gensa variety Varuna has been released for commercial cultivation with the name Pusa Jai Kisan. Leaf mesophyll is the most preferred tissue for protoplast isolation. Protoplast formation is done by removing cell membrane using pectinase and cellulase enzyme. ARSNet 2001 question. PEG-induced protoplast fusion is the most commonly used method as it induces a reproducible high-frequency fusion with low toxicity to cells. High calcium in combination with high pH method is the most efficient method for protoplast fusion. ARS 2007 question. Entrapment within polymeric network is the most appropriate method used for immobilization of large sensitive plant cells and protoplast. Entrapment in calcium alginate is the most widely used method for entrapment of microbial, animal or plant cells. A hybrid is a hybrid formed by cell fusion. ICR JRF 2003 question. The plating efficiency. The plating efficiency is calculated by number of colonies per plate at the end of experiment by number of cellular units initially per plate into 100. This question asked in the ARS 2005. Pollen culture or anther culture provides the techniques of developing homozygous lines in a shorter period by the production of double haploids than the conventional method. ARS Net 2001 question. Lower starch accumulation means more androgenic potential for anther pollens. Low temperature pre-treatment inhibits starch accumulation in plants. Niche in 1951 medium supplemented with vitamins and sucrose is the most commonly used medium for in vitro pollination. The pollen tube of somatic hybrid plants is less viable as compared to the parent plant. Presence of starch in nearly binucleate pollen is indicative of a lack of androgenetic potential. Calcium hypochlorite enters the plant tissue slowly as compared to sodium hypochlorite. Bulbosum technique. Question asked in TRS 2012. Bulbosum technique was given by Kasha and Cow in 1970. A cross is made between Hordeum bulbosum and Hordeum vulgare. From the resulting hybrid, the chromosome of Hordeum bulbosum are selectively eliminated and thus haploids are produced. In situ conservation of germplasm includes maintenance of genetic diversity in their natural habitat. Cryopreservation of germplasm means storing and preserving germplasm at ultra low temperature. ARS Net 2001 question. In cryopreservation, plant material is stored at minus 79 degrees centigrade for solid carbon dioxide, at minus 80 degrees centigrade or above in low temperature, at minus 50 degrees centigrade in vapor phase for nitrogen, and at 196 degrees centigrade in liquid phase of nitrogen. ARS 2005 question. DMSO dimethyl sulfonic oxide 5 to 8% is the most commonly used cryoprotectant. IRI 2004-5 ARS 2004 question. DMSO is used at the rate of 5 to 10% and glycerol is used as the rate of 10 to 20% as cryoprotectants. Glycerol is used as cryoprotectant during cryopreservation. IRI 2003 and ARS 2007 question. Some questions about the animal cell culture. Hybridoma technology is used for producing monoclonal antibodies. ARSNet 2001, IRI 4 and 5. Explanation technique was involves culturing of animal tissue and organs. ARSNet 2001. Hybridoma technology for the production of monoclonal antibodies was given by G. Kohler and Milstein in 1975, for which they got Nobel Prize in 1984, along with Anne Jeremy, IRI 2003, ARS 2004. UV inactivated Sendai para-influenza virus, or a chemical called PEG, is used to fuse two somatic cells for the production of hybridoma. A single antigen would induce more than one distinct clones of plasma cells, which will produce antibodies of different specificities. MAB-OK3 is most widely used for the treatment of acute case of rejection of kidney transplant. ARS 2004 question. So students, these all are the short notes of plant tissue culture, which definitely help in you in the upcoming examination of ARS net. So guys, kindly just check all the points and read, learn, so that you can definitely got success in your examination. So let's tune to my channel. Always like and subscribe.